Hello, welcome back to another video. Today we are making a very delicious Nigerian fried rice, the best fried rice ever. If today is your first time coming across this channel, you're welcome. My name is Chidera. Please do what to subscribe to this channel, like this video. Don't forget to share my video, okay? And leave your comment for me in the comment section. And to all my new subscribers, thank you so much, guys, for subscribing. You're welcome to this amazing community. To my OGs, thank you guys for always coming back to support a girl. So guys, without wasting much time, let's get down to the video. So guys, here are all my ingredients for this delicious fried rice. So here I have my rice. I'm using basmati rice. Okay, I've already washed the rice. It's washed already. Then here I have the green, red, and the green pepper, red pepper, and green onions. So here is minced ginger and garlic. In here I have onions and carrots. So here is my shredded chicken. I don't have liver and I don't eat sausage. So I'm using shredded chicken. So this chicken is just cooked, okay? And I'm using both this cooked one and smoked one. You get to see the smoked one later. So here I have the red, green, and yellow bell pepper. And here is my sweet corn. I'm using two of these sweet corn. This is the small one, so I'm making use of two. So guys, we are going to start now to cook our rice. And in a pot, I'm going to be heating up some cooking oil. So now I'll be adding in my chopped onions. Okay, the oil is hot, so I'm adding in my chopped onions, and then I will go in with my minced ginger and garlic. I will add in curry powder and oregano. The curry powder is optional. If you don't want, you can just skip it, okay? It's optional, please. Then I will add in oregano. You can use thyme. I'm going to stir this, allow this to fry for about 2 minutes, guys. I will go in now with my pepper mix. That's my green pepper, red pepper, and spring onions. Green onions, okay? I'm going to stir this, allow this to fry for few more minutes. So now that our pepper mix is fried, I'm going to add in the washed rice. I'm going to be stir frying this rice. Guys, I've said it so many times. Stir frying your rice is so good. Like, it helps the rice to come out separately, and it also enhances the taste of the rice, okay? If you have been making like fried rice or any rice at all and you don't stir fry it, please start stir frying your rice, okay? So now I'll add in my seasoning cube. I'm using the Maggi star Maggi chicken, okay? And then I'm going to mix and then I will stir fry. Don't just mix and go away. always keep an eye on it, okay? Just be stir frying it at intervals, because I'm going to be stir frying this at intervals, okay? So now that our rice has been stir fried, guys, I stir fried this for like 8 minutes. So now I'll be adding in my chicken stock. If you don't have any stock, you can just make use of water, and then I'll add in water too. I'm going to mix this now, cover and allow this rice to cook. Guys, if you have watched me up to now and you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to this channel, okay? Like this video. If you have watched up to this point, it means you are enjoying this video. Please like the video, share this video, and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, okay? And our rice is cooked. Look how beautiful this rice is already looking like this rice is already looking so beautiful and yummy. You can choose to eat this rice like this, like it came out so tasty, even like this, so delicious. But we are not done yet, okay? I'm making fried rice, and fried rice we shall make. So I'm just going to flip it up now, and then I will bring it down and start making my vegetables for fried rice. Guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, don't forget to share my video, okay? So in my pan, I'm going to be heating up some vegetable oil, and once the oil is hot, I'll add in my boiled chicken. That's my cooked chicken. I'll also be going in immediately with the smoked chicken. So I'm going to be toasting this for a few minutes, okay? Like let's say 2 to 3 minutes. I'm not frying this. I'm just going to toast it around for a few minutes. So now I'll be adding in my onions and carrots. I'll be going in first with the onions. I'm going to mix everything now. Then I'll allow this to fry for just 2 minutes, okay? Note that I'm frying these vegetables on high heat, okay? I'm not frying it on medium or low heat. High heat for 2 minutes because I don't want it to like get cooked. You understand? So high heat because I want it to still be crunchy when I'm eating my rice, okay? So now I'll add in my sweet corn, and then I'll add in my bell peppers. I added in my sweet corn and bell peppers like same time, okay? I'm going to mix this now. I'm going to be frying this just a minute on high heat. So now I will add in my seasoning cube, and then I will mix this, allow to fry for just a minute, guys, on high heat. So guys, this is ready now. I'm just going to bring it down and then bring back our cooked rice. Guys, have you subscribed? Have you liked this video? If you have not subscribed and like, please subscribe and like. Okay, this is the best time to subscribe to the channel, to like the video so that you will not forget. Okay, so now I'm going to be adding in our fried veggies into our rice. And then I'm going to mix everything to properly combine. And when I'm done mixing, I'm just going to cover and let this just simmer for, let me say, a minute. Okay, a minute or two. And guys, our delicious fried rice is ready. Like, this fried rice is banging. Okay, this fried rice came out so yummy, so delicious. I enjoyed it, and the people that ate this rice too, they all loved it. Guys, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video, and leave your comment for me in the comment section. I hope you are going to be trying out this recipe. Let me know in the comment section. And if you want to go further to appreciate your girl, please use the times button. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and until I come your way next time, please stay safe. Bye.